Hello everyone, how are you all? I know you all are very much anxiously waiting for my next video. So here I am with my next video for the class 9th. And as you can see on the screen, my this very video is related to the question answers of the poem 2 titled Wind. So let us see the questions and know about the answers one by one. On your screen you have the question number 1, and question number 1 says, what are the things the wind does in the first stanza? So the answer is the wind. In the first stanza, the wind breaks the shutters of the window, scatters the papers, throws down the books from the shelf, tears the pages of the book, and brings rain. So this is all what the wind does in the stanza number 1. Now, the question number 2. Question number 2 is, have you seen anybody winnow grain at home or in a paddy field? What is the word in your language for winnowing? What do people use for winnowing? Give the words in your language if you know them. Now, the answer to this question is yes, I have seen many women winnowing grains in villages. It is generally known as fatakna, pichorna, or anaj parchana in Hindi. People use charge, means the winnowing fan, for winnowing. Okay. So this was the answer number 2, and this answer just provides you the clue, the framework. You can write your own answer with your own words based on your experience. Now, let us see the question number 3. Question number 3 says, what does the poet say the wind god winnows? A wind god जो है क्या विनो करती है? The poet says that the wind god winnows the weak crumbling houses. वो विनो करती है the weak, कमज़ोर को, crumbling houses means destroying houses, doors, rafters, wood, bodies, lives and hearts, and crushes them all. Okay, so this is all what the wind god does. And here the rafter means it is a sloping beam supporting the roof of a house, that is called rafter. Now the question number 4. Question number 4 is, what should we do to make friends with the wind? क्या करना चाहिए? To make friend with the wind, we need to build strong homes with firm doors. We should also practice to make our bodies and hearts stronger. हमें ना सिर्फ अपने घर या उनके दरवाजे ही मजबूत बनाने चाहिए, बल्कि हमें खुद भी इंटरनली, फिजिकली और मेंटली स्ट्रांग होना चाहिए, so that we can face the adversities of life, we can face the challenges of life bravely. Now the question number 5. And question number 5 says, what do the last 4 lines of the poem mean? लास्ट 4 लाइन्स का क्या मतलब पोएट ने जो हमें लास्ट 4 लाइन्स दिए पोएम में. इन द लास्ट 4 लाइन्स द पोएट इंस्पायर्स अस टू बी डिटरमिन्ड एंड फेस ऑल द हार्डशिप्स और ऑब्स्टिकल्स रनिंग इन लाइफ. लास्ट 4 लाइन्स में हमें पोएट ने यही सिखाया है, यही बताने की कोशिश की है, यही समझाने की कोशिश की है कि हमें लाइफ की जितनी भी ऑब्स्टिकल्स हैं या हार्डशिप्स हैं उनको फेस करना चाहिए, पूरा ब्रेवली उनको फेस करना चाहिए, करेजसली उनको फेस करना चाहिए. ही टेल्स अस दैट द विंड कैन ओनली एक्सटिंग्विश द वीक फायर्स. विंड जो है, जो वीक फायर हो, जो कमज़ोर आग होती है उसको बुझा सकती है, लेकिन बट इंटेंसिफाइज द स्ट्रॉन्ग वंस. लेकिन जो स्ट्रॉन्ग जो है आग उसको और बढ़ा देती है, उसको बढ़ावा देती है. इन द सेम वे people who do not fight against the challenges coming in their lives, they have to face the failure. अब जो लोग अपनी लाइफ में चैलेंजेस जो आते हैं उनको सामना नहीं करते हैं, सो दे हैव टू फेस द फेलियर, नाकामयाबी का उनको सामना करना पड़ता है. ऑन द अदर हैंड, those who stay determined and make sincere efforts to meet their goals, they come out to be successful. They become successful in life if they are determined, they put their sincere efforts to face those challenges, and ultimately they meet their goals, they achieve their target. Now the question number 6, and the question number 6 says, how does the poet speak of to the wind? कैसे बात करता है विंड से वो? In anger or with humor? You must also have seen or heard of the wind crumbling lives. Crumbling means destroying. What is your response to this? Is it like the poets? चलो अब इसका आंसर हम देखते हैं. इसका आंसर जो हमारा बनेगा वो ये है कि now the poet speaks to the wind with anger. Yes, I have heard of the strong winds causing plenty of damage. यहाँ पर पोएट जो है विंड के साथ गुस्से में बात कर रहा है. And we have heard of the strong winds, और उन्होंने क्या किया है? They have caused a lot of damage and destruction to both life and property. जान का और माल का दोनों का ही उसने नुकसान किया है. Storms, cyclones and strong winds, they wreak havoc on lands. They uproot trees, destroy houses and claim thousands of lives. Okay. So further आगे और देखते हैं हम इसको क्वेश्चन के आंसर को. Though wind come strongly, devastating properties mercilessly, yet we cannot ignore the other facet of the wind. हालांकि जो विंड है बहुत स्ट्रांगली जो है वो विनाश करती हुई आती है और बड़ी निर्दयता से मर्सीलेसली जो है वो नुकसान करती है, लेकिन फिर भी हम उसका जो दूसरा चेहरा है उसको हम इग्नोर नहीं कर सकते, उसको हम नज़रअंदाज नहीं कर सकते. और दूसरा चेहरा वो क्या है विंड का? इट ब्रिंग्स रेन, इट कूल्स द लैंड एंड मेक्स द क्लाइमेट प्लेजेंट. दूसरी तरफ विंड जो है बारिश लेके आती है, हमारी जो लैंड है, धरती है, जो ज़मीन है, उसको ठंडक पहुंचाती है ताकि हमारा जो एटमॉस्फेयर वो ठंडा हो जाए. एंड मेक्स द क्लाइमेट प्लेजेंट वन. बारिश के आने के बाद मौसम अच्छा हो जाता है ना. सो nowadays wind energy is harnessed. It is used for several useful purposes including turning windmills, wind turbines and generating electricity. So this was the answer number 6. Now let us see the part 2 of this very poem. Part 2 says, the poem you have just read is originally in Tamil. Do you know any such poem in your language? The answer is yes. I have read another poem on wind titled Tufan, and it was originally written in Hindi by Naresh Agarwal. Okay, so this was the answer number for the part 2, and this answer is just a framework. It is just a clue to you all. You can write your own answer also. You can mention any other poem also which is about the wind, and it can be of any language. It can be written by any poet also. Okay. So this was all about the question answers of the poem number 2. I hope now you will be very much able to write the answers related to this very poem and score a good in your exams. So thanks for watching this video. I will be back again with my next video. Till then, keep learning and stay safe.